What's up guys, I finally got the new Blackview Oscal Pad 10. This is the latest tablet from the Chinese manufacturer with good specifications and affordable price. For example, it has 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, Android 12 operating system and dual SIM support. You know, it is a budget tablet of only $120, but I am very interested in testing the performance. We will run the popular benchmarks like Antutu and play games in this video. However, let's start with unboxing and design of Blackview Oscal Pad 10. You know, Oscal is a new brand from Blackview, but there is no mention of Blackview on the box. We can only see the Oscal logo on the front, as well as the tablet name of Oscal Pad 10 on the side. On the back there is serial number, some tablet specs, and information about manufacturer. When you open the box, you will find a tablet, a protective glass on the screen, a quick start guide, a power adapter, USB Type-C charging cable, and a SIM needle. This is a standard bundle, but you can buy a keyboard, protective case, and a stylus additionally. By the way, they are very affordable, just $17, $9.9 or $5 respectively. As you can see, I have a silver color option of Oscal Pad 10, but the tablet is also available in gray and green colors. It looks and feels like the body is made of aluminum, but I think it is plastic, because the tablet is lightweight, only 536 grams. The body is also slim, only 8.9mm. Overall, Oscal Pad 10 looks very stylish, but I wouldn't say it is an ultra-budget tablet. On the rear panel, we can see a single camera and flashlight. The power button and volume control are on the left side. There is also a USB Type-C charging port on the same side. The tablet has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a hybrid slot for dual SIM and memory card. Another feature of Oscal Pad 10 is dual speakers. Let's check the sound quality. The speakers are very loud and they are good for a budget tablet. However, both speakers are located at the bottom, so I don't feel a stereo effect. It feels like there is only one speaker. Talking about the front panel, we can see bezels around the display here, but there are no bezel-less tablets like smartphones yet. However, given the budget price of the tablet, this is not a problem at all. The screen of Oscal Pad 10 has a diagonal of 10.1 inches and Full HD resolution 1200 by 1920 pixels. This is IPS panel with 16:9 aspect ratio and 79% of screen-to-body ratio. It is very nice to watch movies, play games or surf internet on this tablet. By the way, the screen supports up to 10 touches at the same time, which is good for gaming. In the display settings menu, we can change the brightness, turn on off the dark mode, and eye comfort, change font size and the display size, direction lock, auto screen off and other functions. Oscal Pad 10 has a built-in screen recorder, and you can enable microphone, device audio and show tabs in this menu. If we start talking about the settings, you need to know that Oscal Pad 10 has Android 12 operating system with docOS 3.0 user interface. The tablet runs pretty fast and smooth. You know, I have been testing the tablet for a few days now, and I haven't had any problems with software. There are many pre-installed apps on the tablet, but they are all useful. For example, there is a game mode, where you can clean up RAM, data migration assistant, if you already have Android tablet and you want to transfer the files to the new tablet, system manager, cold room, etc. Of course, the new Blackview tablet has Google apps such as YouTube, Play Store, Maps and others. Another feature of this tablet is PC mode. It allows you to feel a classic desktop experience on the tablet. The user interface really looks like PC, and you can even use the floating windows. However, I think it is better to buy an external keyboard and connect a computer mouse if you plan to use the tablet for work or study. Now let's talk about performance of Oscal Pad 10. The new tablet is powered by Unisoc T606 processor. This is an entry-level octa-core chipset with 12nm process technology. As for the memory, there is 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage available. You can expand the internal memory with microSD memory card and the RAM with the internal memory. You can choose from 2 to 6 GB of memory expansion. Do not forget to restart a tablet when you change the memory expansion. I have noticed that memory expansion really improves performance, especially in PC mode when using floating windows. If we talk about benchmarks, Oscal Pad 10 has 230,000 points in Antutu. It is a good result for a budget tablet. In Geekbench 5, the new Blackview tablet has 304 points in a single-core test and 1152 points in multi-core test. 3D Mark benchmark suggested that I run wildlife test. As you can see, the overall score is 416 points. I think the benchmark results are good for a budget tablet. At the beginning of this video I said that I was interested in testing the performance and games on this tablet. Let's check it out. The first game is Asphalt 9. You know, it is really cool to play games on a big 10-inch screen. The performance of this tablet is enough to run Asphalt 9. As for the PUBG Mobile, the maximum graphics is HD and the FPS is high. The tablet doesn't have big problems with this game either. If we talk about one of the demanding Android games called Genshin Impact, the tablet runs it, but the graphics is slow. There are some delays and glitches during battles. However, it is very good that the budget tablet runs Genshin Impact.
Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city. These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently.
I know that the camera on the tablet is not as important as on a smartphone, so Oscal Pad 10 has only 13 megapixels main camera and 8 megapixels front camera. However, you can still use front camera for video calls and selfies, as well as the rear camera to take photos of documents. The battery of the new Blackview tablet has a capacity of 6580 mAh. In the settings menu, I found a useful function called One-Touch Power Saving. You can optimize the battery life with turning off the auto sync, auto-rotate the screen, stay connected when the device is asleep and others. There is also a battery saver mode and battery manager available in the settings. So I want to test the battery life of Oscal Pad 10 with PC Mark benchmark. The test includes photo editing, video editing, and other office tasks. The screen on time is 4 hours and 51 minutes. The charging time of Blackview Oscal Pad 10 is 2 hours and 46 minutes. I think one of the main features of Oscal Pad 10 is dual SIM support. You can insert a Nano SIM card for mobile internet when Wi-Fi is not available. There are also phone calls available on the tablet. Blackview Oscal Pad 10 has 4 navigation system support, including GPS. By the way, there is Android Auto in the settings menu, so you can connect the tablet to the car. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are also available. Now I want to tell you what I really liked about this tablet. The main advantages of Oscal Pad 10 is an affordable price. You can buy it for only $120 on AliExpress. The display with a diagonal of 10.1 inches and Full HD resolution is good for watching videos, playing games, or even office tasks, such as surfing the internet or typing. By the way, talking about office tasks, the tablet can be used in PC mode. You can additionally buy an external keyboard and mouse to turn a tablet into a laptop. The tablet has 8 GB of RAM, which is great for floating windows and multitasking. You can also play most Android games, such as PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Asphalt 9, but the graphics is not very high. Oscal Pad 10 has dual SIM support for phone calls and mobile network when Wi-Fi is not available. So I think the new Blackview Oscal Pad 10 is a good tablet for entertainment, work, and study. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!